There's not a single day that passes without you on my mind. Not even 1 minute can end up before you come around. I yearn for the days when
Good morning guys, it's currently 6:15 and I'm preparing breakfast right now. So let me prepare the breakfast and then we'll see each other later after I'm done. this because I have a lot to do for now. So I have already made the breakfast, the fruits, our bread, and our cups. So Vicky, she's there, she's ready. Make a magical bag. Yeah, she's ready. We are waiting for the van, and also baby's breakfast is ready. This is apple puree, and this is what she will be having. So I want to feed her right away.
Guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the noon. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. I'd like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it. Wish I knew.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks. Listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast. Don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Hi guys, during this our first winning trial, what I'm so much concerned with is constipation. So today I'm in the chore, and by the look of the things, she's not constipated. And one thing I'm doing, I'm feeding her once a day because this is the first week. So if today anakula lunch, tomorrow maybe atakula breakfast, kesho kutwa maybe atakula hivyo dinner. So today she has taken her apple puree and she's doing fine. She's doing fine.
Speed to the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Afternoon, we lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
So guys, our peas are done. So, and also I have cleaned the yellow beans and I have soaked them. So I have sorted these out. The only thing remaining is cleaning them and sorting them out before our githeri cooks, so that I can put this on fire. Then this will go later. But for the peas are done. So these are the only two remaining to be cooked. So, and I guess we will meet after everything is cooked, because my camera, the storage is almost full because I have.
So catch me if I fall.
I have not been edited. Hi guys, good morning. So this is the next day. Yesterday I finished meal prepping at almost 10, yes, at night, and I was very tired, so I wasn't able to update you about the progress. But the only thing I did is only packing the peas, of which I have shown you in this vlog. We cooked them. So today I want to pack the cereals behind me, and let me show you So this is mbaazi. Yes, this one I bought it specific for mokimo. Yes, so or mashed potatoes with this cereal. So hizi ni mbaazi. So they were 2 kgs. Then these are yellow beans and now our githeri. So I want to pack this 3 right away.
Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you can take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we know. Whoa, I can't stay if you can't let it go. I never really know what's going on. And even when you're next to me, I feel like you were gone. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
So guys, I'm done packing, so I'll just put them in the freezer, and this one will take us for a while. And for these ones, because in a week we will have each cereal in a week, so these ones zitatupeleka about only a month or month and 2 weeks or 3 weeks, and that's it, and then they are done, and then we cook again. So this is what I usually do to at least save money. Kununua huko nje, you know, it's very expensive, and I usually love cereals nimejipikia. So and I guess this is how we will end our video, and make sure you like, you comment and subscribe if you haven't.